Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Airtable CRM with lightweight pipeline workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Airtable CRM with lightweight pipeline workflows, begin by creating a new Airtable base. Log into your Airtable account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on Add a Base to start a new project. Choose Start from Scratch for a more customized setup. Name your base something relevant, like sales pipeline or client management. Next, you'll be brought to the table view. Here, you'll see a default table named Table 1. Click on the table name to rename it to Leads to better reflect its purpose. Add relevant fields for your CRM. Click on the plus icon to the right of your existing fields. Create a name field for your leads. Set it as a single-line text type for easy entry. Next, add an email field to capture lead contact information. Set this field type to email for validation. Include a status field to track your pipeline stages. Set this field type to single select. Enter options such as new, contacted, qualified, and one. Create a notes field for additional information. Set this field type to long text to allow for detailed entries. Consider adding a follow-up date field. This field should be set to date to remind you of key dates. Once your fields are set, start entering data into your leads table. You can do this manually, or import data from another source if available. Now, let's set up a view to manage your pipeline effectively. Click on Grid View in the top left corner. Select Create a View and choose Kanban View. Name this new view Sales Pipeline. In the settings, choose the status field to organize your Kanban columns. This visual representation will help you track your leads through various stages. To customize your workflow further, consider using Airtable automations. Click on Automations in the top menu. Select Create an automation to start building a new process. Choose a trigger for your automation, like when a record enters a specific view. Define actions, such as sending an email reminder when a lead has a follow-up date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.